Check it out. It's a power inflator made by Ryobi. And this is by far the easiest way to pressurize a road shower. Let me show you how it's done. I won't go into all the specifics of the road shower because I've already made that video and I'll link to it in this video. Today I'm just simply going to show you how this thing works. So basically, like a normal bike pump, you're going to attach it to your road shower and then you're going to hit the button. The air pump even has a pressure gauge on it, so you can see right there I'm at about 60 psi, which is exactly where I want to be. Woo! And as you can tell, the road shower is pressurized. Let's come check it. Kylie, will you do the honors? Woo! It works. And that, folks, is the easiest way to pressurize your road shower.